How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. Welcome back for another video. In today's video we have the iPhone XR running the latest version of the iOS. So Apple just pushed a software update a few days ago if you're watching this video. So the previous version was the iOS 14.7.1, but now we have another software update. As you can see here, the new update is actually security update, so this is for the security purposes. So in my opinion, you should check for updates. As you can see, the new software update is 14.8. so this update is just for the security purpose. The size of the update is about 300 megabytes. Again, the software update doesn't bring any new features, but it's gonna make your device up to date. And we all know that Apple is doing amazing job, optimizes the oldest iPhones, and this iPhone is being released in 2018 and so far it's been great. So let's update right now, check for software updates. The update is not massive again, it's around 300 megabytes, and this is gonna take you about 5 to 7 minutes to update this device. If you're enjoying this type of iPhone related software updates news, consider subscribing and turn your bell notifications for future uploads. So again, iPhone XR was one of the most popular iPhones in 2018, and believe it or not, it's still popular. Sad news though, due to the iPhone 13, iPhone XR is being removed from the Apple Store. So if you decide to buy this iPhone, you're not gonna be happy because Apple just removed it from the official Apple website. I don't know why I say Apple Store, but yeah, due to the iPhone 13, which has been released a few days ago, now iPhone XR is being removed from the official Apple store. So check for updates. Let me know in the comments down below if you still use the iPhone XR in 2021. I know it was one of the most popular iPhones, but now we have the iPhone 11, 12, 13, and iPhone 14 actually is coming next year, which is crazy, but this is gonna be a topic for a different video. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below. Are you still using the iPhone XR, or you have the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 12, or you're gonna wait for iPhone 13? So let me know. I'm curious to check your comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching. This was SYG Tech. I'll see you in the next video.